So the next part of the question wants us to create what we call a cumulative frequency curve or a no jive. And so what we're going to do is go back to Excel and we're going to graph these two rows here, our upper bands and our cumulative frequency values. So I'm going to go to insert, and this time we're using a lined graph with markers. So we can go for one of these ones here, a line mark with markers. And this is giving us our lovely cumulative frequency curve here. You can see that it's building up so that less than or equal to 79 beats per minute, we had 25 females. We can do a little bit of editing to this. We can put our titles on. So these are our resting pulse upper bands. And these are in beats per minute. So beats per minute here, put them in lowercase. And this here is telling us the cumulative frequency value here. So it's as it's increasing. And then remember for a title, we say it's the wall versus the ground. So the wall is the y-axis cumulative frequency versus upper bands. We can just close that here. So if you wanted to add just a few grids to your graph so that it would help you read off some of the values in a little while, you can also click on the plus sign and go into grids here. So grid lines, and if we open this up, we can just tick all of these here just to give ourselves what looks a little bit more like graph paper.